Tax breaks, tax breaks, tax breaks. Hey, listen, if you pass your test and become a notary or loan signing agent, it is a business. And as a real business, if you treat it like a business, you get a ton of tax breaks just like any other business professional gets. So this video is for you. I'm going to go over the top 10 tax breaks you can get as a loan signing agent or uh, a notary. Now, here's the thing. I'm not an accountant, but I want you to make money and I want you to get the most tax breaks and I want you to keep the most money. So let's dive in and see what your tax breaks are, okay? So, number one is something most people don't know, a home office deduction. Now, what is a home office deduction? A home office deduction for a person who has a business. If you use your home or your apartment for business, you can actually write off a portion of your rent, your mortgage, your utilities, your insurance costs, things like that. So make sure you keep tabs on that so you can turn it into your tax professional so you can get those write offs, right? The more you make, the more you keep, the more you write off. Boom. Number two, you're a W 2 employee. You go to and from work, you pay for your gas. That's on you, buddy. No write off. But when you have your side hustle, your side business, or your full time business as a notary professional, you can write off costs related to your car. That was number two, your vehicle. Stuff like what? Gas, repairs, maintenance, different things like that. You get to choose a standard rate mileage or actual expenses. All right. Number three, notary supplies. That's a big one. Most people know this, but what are some of the supplies that you can write off that you may just need at your house anyway, but now you can actually write them off as part of your business? Do you need a computer for that, for your notary business, a laptop? Do you need paper? Yes, you do. You have to print. Do you need a printer? Yes, you do. Do you need ink? Yes, you do. Do you need business card? Yes, you do. All those are tax write-offs for you, buddy. Let's get this going. Number four, marketing expenses. How are people going to know who you are and what you do? You're gonna need business cards. Maybe you even make yourself a little mini commercial on Facebook and do Facebook ads. Maybe you pay for some Google ads. Well, guess what? That's marketing and advertising, and that is a tax break for you. Remember, your tax person, the professional, will tell you more about this. Number five, continuing education and training. That's a big one. You're going to take the notary test, right? Maybe you have to take the test over when it's time to renew your notary license. Maybe you're going to take extra classes to become a loan signing agent. Keep the details and receipts for all that and turn it into your tax person. That's a tax write-off. Number five. This is when that was number five. Jumping over to the special offer I give in every video. Always a different offer. A lot of free offers. This time, listen. Again, buy me a cup of coffee and put in the comments and I will create a specialized practice test for you and your state. So let's say you're in, I don't know, New York, and you want a specialized test to help you pass the notary test on the first try in New York. I'll make one for you. Okay. I'll make a video just for you. But you got to do two things: buy Mr. Rogers' cup of coffee and put in the comments what state you're in. Maybe you're in Arizona. Maybe you're in Florida. Maybe you're in California. I just made one for California. And shout out to the last two people that bought me cups of coffee. Keeps me really motivated. Number six, business insurance. You are going to have business insurance. Premiums for business insurance is a write-off, such as liability coverages and things like that. Number seven, your phone and your internet expenses. Absolutely. Right now, you're just paying for your phone out of your own pocket, and you're paying for your internet out of your own pocket, and you don't get a tax break on that. But once you run your own business and it's for business purposes, there you go. Number nine, legal and professional fees. All right. Now, if you have to hire a lawyer, an accountant, or any other professional in regards to your business, that could be a write off for your business. Okay. Before I tell you the 10th one, this is a big one too, a really big one. The next video is going to tell you about the top 10 notary tax mistakes. The mistakes people make that they try to write off or that bites them in the butt when they're trying to do their taxes or they don't do during the year. top 10 tax mistakes notaries make. That's not sure if that's the title, but that's what I'm going to talk about. So number 10, travel expenses. You got to write off those travel expenses and keep an accounting of your travel. When you drive to people and get and make that money, you're burning gas. What if you have to fly places? What if you need a hotel? What if you need meals? Ta-da! All right. I hope this helped you, helped to encourage you. Take that test, pass the test on the first try with my help, become a notary, and start racking up that business, racking up that business, racking up that income. This is Mr. Rogers. I'll see you on the next one.